When I bought this house, it had a single bulb here in the back, which did very little to light the garage. Later, I came across a couple of free 4-bulb fluorescent fixtures and installed those, which was a huge upgrade. But once I started filming in here, I realized the dim greenish fluorescents weren't going to cut it, and decided it was time for another upgrade. I started the way I always start when planning a new project, by going onto YouTube and watching a couple hours of unrelated video and then finally searching to see what's worked for other people. I came across a video by Shop Nation in which he used this LED light kit from Barina, link in the description. 50,000 lumens seemed fun, and the 5,000 Kelvin color temperature should be perfect for video, so I decided to order it and then get back to the cat videos. I picked what seemed like a good spot over the table saw and measured off the wall so it would be fairly straight. My tolerance for what seemed fairly straight got larger the more of them I put up. Each light just hangs on the ceiling with a pair of clips. I pop a hole in the sheetrock with my screwdriver, push in a sheetrock anchor, which you have to supply yourself, none of those come in the kit, and then attach the clip with the supplied screw. I was too impatient to get them all done before I plugged one in and tried it out. Hey Mikey, he likes it. Here you can see how the light just snaps into the two clips that you put in. If you leave the clips in a little ways from the ends, you have a little bit of leeway to slide the thing left and right to get it exactly where you want it. Even with just these two lights, the change is impressive, and I still have 8 more of these things to install. I set this first clip by eye and then measured how far it was from the other light so that I could make the second clip the same distance to keep the lights parallel.
Good enough. So the light kits come with either these 3-foot long connectors that can plug in to the ends of the lights here like this, or they come with these little butt connectors here that you can plug in to. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. I need 2 tripods, but you can plug them in there and then connect the other one straight up to it to run them without the cables. Now it's time for today's video sponsor, a Squarespace. Could get it because it's a... never mind.
I want to enclose the wires in some of that track you can buy at the home center, but with the world the way it is at the moment, it isn't really worth the effort of trying to shop at Home Depot. For now, I'm just going to put some zip ties on them so I don't catch anything on the hanging wires and they don't drag on the garage door when it's open. Once, or if everything returns to normal, I'll go pick up some wire track, or order some online. Let's be honest. Now that I have it up and out of the way, it will probably be years before I mess with it again. I'm also in the very near future going to install another outlet or 2 to plug these things in so I don't have to run them on that orange extension cord. Well, I hope you found the subject illuminating. I hope I haven't led you astray. I hope I've shed some light on the subject. I hope I haven't made everybody click off the video with all my dumb jokes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, consider subscribing if you aren't already. I'll have a link to these lights down in the description below. It is an Amazon affiliate link. I do earn a small, tiny commission off of it if you click through and purchase anything off of Amazon after you click through. Actually, it is a very tiny purchase now because Amazon just slashed it down to almost nothing for everybody. I also have a link to my Patreon page down below if you want to be the first and probably only person in 100 years to subscribe to that. Go back inside.
You can have a brownie later. I'm filming. I know they're yummy. I had one before I came out here. I know, but life's not fair. Oh, you can't wait that much longer? Well, you don't have patience. Come here. You'll be in my video?
Be in your video?
Yeah, you want to be in my video?
Yes.
I'm recording.
Well,
Come here. Hi. Say hi to YouTube.
I.
So anyway, I hope you found this video helpful, and until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. Now can I have a brownie?
Yes, now you can have a brownie.
I love being in your video.